Hey everyone, and welcome to the 24th video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. And in this video I will show you how you can customize your scroll bar. Okay, so before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. So as you can see here, let's take a look at our website. We have few paragraphs, and you can see there it is our scroll bar. It is a default one, and now we will customize it, okay, because it is just looking boring. And if you want to create a personal portfolio, you can add a custom scroll bar to make it even more stand out, okay. And let's see how it is done. So you have to first of all write body, because we have to target the body, okay. And now I will write this double colons, okay, which is for pseudo elements. And now I will write WebKit scroll bar, okay. As you can see here, it is just recommending me, so you have to first of all write WebKit scroll bar. Now here you have to just define the width of your custom scroll bar, okay. If you will take a look, it will have some width, okay. Like let's say it has a 20 pixel width. You can create your own width, okay, custom width, how much you want. Let's just say 30 pixel, okay. And make sure to only write width over here. Now I will copy this whole down, and after this scroll bar I will write track, okay. That track is this behind one, okay. This gray one is called thumb because it is just moving and it is on top of the track, and the track is the path on which it is moving, okay. So the track is this, the long line, and this one which is moving is called thumb. So let's customize the track, and you don't need to write width anymore, okay. In this track you can write background color, you can change the background color. So let's just do black, not black, let's just do red. So if you will take a look, now as you can see here, our scroll bar, the track of the scroll bar is now completely red, and you can scroll but you cannot see the thumb, okay. You cannot see the thumb. So to customize the thumb, you also just copy this whole down, and instead of this track you just have to write thumb, okay. Now you can customize it. Let's give it a color, let's say yellow, and now you can see it. So as you can see here, there is our thumb, and you can scroll as efficiently, okay, as before. So this is how you can customize a scroll bar. And let's see, let's do some more scrolling, okay. First of all, let's change the color, okay. Something like this one, all right. And in this one I'll say something, okay. So now let's take a look. As you can see here, it is looking pretty good, okay. So now let's first of all decrease the width. 30 pixel is a lot, okay. So let's see how it is looking. Yes, now it is looking great. And one more example to make your scroll bar even more cooler, you can add border radius and write 100 pixel, okay, to both track and thumb, okay. So it will just create a pill shape. What I mean, you can see a pill shape, okay, rounded corners, okay. As you can see, rounded corners, and it is looking great. So this is how you can create a custom scroll bar.